force to be ready.
It's time to get up and cook, man.
And cook, Papi. I already fed you, Papi. I already fed you, Papi. I already fed you, Papi. Okay? I already did my short, Papi. Why are you waking me up? All right. I'm gonna break your pot, Papi. If I do more, Papi, I'm gonna break that freaking. Yeah, Papi. The helly? Don't be waking up, my Papi. I already did my short, Papi. You already fed. Your stomach is